Hi, my name is Charity Mitchell. I live in the state of Maryland. Currently, I am working as a systems navigator at the Mental Health Association, where I help families in our community navigate the resources that we have and provide the background support, and collaboration with those agencies so that the families can reach their goals. I've been doing that for 4 years, and I've also been doing the Frederick County Hotline, and we man 8 or 9 lines. We have the Frederick County Hotline, 211 Maryland, National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. We have a phone friend, and we also do a program called Telephone Reassurance where we get to speak to some lovely older people and just check in with them, which is my favorite part. But yeah, so I've been doing that for 3 years. I would Some of the goals to become a clinical social worker would be continuing my education through Widener, uh, continuing to get any kind of background experience. I am lucky enough that at the place that I'm working at now, we have something called a walk-in behavioral clinic, and I am hoping to start doing some work with them, a couple hours here and there to get some extra experience. They get to meet one-on-one with clients, and just kind of help them at a crisis level, like a triage type thing where it's not an ongoing therapy um, situation, but you do get to have that face-to-face time with a client, helping providing them resources, listening. There's times where they have to decide if someone needs to go to the hospital and things like that. And I think that would provide an amazing amount of resources for me to learn. The program manager there is very knowledgeable and is really great with the staff. So I'm looking forward to actually being able to do that in the future. And we deciding my internship. I think that's going to be a really good, valuable option for me. Finding the internship that's going to provide me with the best supervision, because I think the supervision is going to be key to helping me build my goals and becoming the best clinical social worker. I think we all can talk about the fear we may have of whether or not we're going to do a great job, and I want to make sure that I am super confident. And while I don't love feedback, I know that the not criticism, sorry, that's kind of what I feel like it is. Constructive feedback is important so that those things can help me tweak and modify and improve the way I'm interacting with my clients. Definitely ongoing work with active listening, continuing to learn therapeutic interventions that can work. I love the idea of having a plethora of therapeutic interventions in my toolbox so that I can help a client. And I am itching to get in there and be a support to them. I'm hoping that I can find work with adolescents, so as much knowledge that training that I can get in how best to work and serve that population is going to be important. So anyway, it was good to see you guys. I know a lot of us are in the same classes, so just have a great time in this class. Bye.